Ooh, I like this shirt. $20 isn't bad at all. Take it. Ooh, these shorts are so stylish. Only 30 bucks. I'll take those too. I could use another sports bra, top of all my 10 others. Only 20 bucks. Take it. Oh, the hoodie's probably on sale since the summertime. I could really use another one for the winter. It's only 40 bucks. Man, I really like these boots. Let's see, only 95 bucks? It's like a size 6.
Oh wow, look at this nice elegant button-up shirt, Tommy Hilfiger. And it's 60% off? You know what, only $20? Nah, I don't really need it. I already have so many shirts. Oh wow, look at these camo shorts. I always wanted a pair of these. 30 bucks? You know what? Nah, I think I'm gonna put my money towards a better investment. Oh my god, Levi's? I've always wanted a pair of these jeans, especially because I'm going out this weekend. These are really nice. No way, only $24.99? Holy crap. The normal price is almost $50. Definitely gonna take them. I don't know. Honestly, I'm really looking to get in shape. I feel like that investment would be better towards a trainer. Now, you know what's crazy? About 90% of people have the same mindset as the girl in the first video. And what is that? Well, that's spending each and every penny of their hard-earned money on useless materialistic objects that will add no value to their lives. Now, 99% of these purchases are made based off the desire of the individual's wants instead of the urgency of the individual's needs. Now, what does that mean? Well, as you saw, the girl in the first video, she didn't really need all those pieces of clothing. Instead, she decided to purchase them because her heart desired to at the moment. Now, on the other hand, the individual in the second video, see, he was seeking a personal trainer. He was looking to make an investment in himself. Not only did he want a personal trainer and a coach, but he knew that he needed one so that he could live longer, feel better about himself, and have a better life. Now, the choice is yours. You can either continue to spend your time and money on items that will add no value to your life, or you can hold yourself accountable, take the necessary actions now that your future self 5, 10, or 15 years from now will thank you for. Join my team today, and the only regret that you will have is that you didn't start sooner. Level up or get left behind. Boundless Fitness.